Your attack is faster. I might do the attack though, because this one is all right, but it's not the best. I'm gonna do this one. So I do have a question for everyone that's in chat. I have a question that I did ask. I've asked a few people already, so you probably already heard this question, but I'm gonna ask it anyway. If everyone in the world lost the ability to sneeze, how long do you think it would take everyone to notice? And that is my question. There is no right answer, so you can answer whatever you want. There is no right answer. Kinda should've went to the store. Yeah, I probably should've went to the store. I am gonna do more damage though. I like the more damage. Just some damage. What the fuck? I could do the resisting of damage though. Level 1. They're both level 1. Bruno, you said a few seconds? How many times do you sneeze in a minute? Jesus Christ, Bruno. Hold on, wait a minute, Bruno. I didn't sneeze. Did you notice everyone in the world can't sneeze? Is Winter over here too? You said the world will probably figure it out instantly. Really? Interesting. What's instantly though? Like, what do you consider instantly? Because like, I feel like I don't remember the last time I sneezed. Right? Like, I feel like it's not something a lot of people keep track of. It's not like I wake up and it's like, huh, fuck, I haven't taken a good sneeze. Like, for instance,
this is big brain time.
If you don't take a shit, you know when you didn't take a shit. You're like, yo, I haven't taken a shit in like 3 days. But can you tell me when's the last time you sneezed? Unless you just sneezed like 2 minutes ago. Damn, yo, you said probably a day? Really? Y'all are real optimistic about this. Well, do things that make you sneeze give you the sensation of sneezing? Good question. No. You can't sneeze. You lost the ability to sneeze. So pepper will not make you sneeze. I can tell you the last time I sneezed, Bruno, I swear to God, if you tell me you sneezed like this morning, I'm giving you like a 2-minute ban. I swear to God, I'm about to... If something gets up your nose, you can feel it, but you just can't sneeze. Yeah, you can't sneeze. It's like, you'll probably get the sensation of like if you need to throw up, but you can't throw up. Just like if something tickles your nose, like you'll feel it, you can't sneeze it out. What? So that's a good question. A month max. Interesting, okay. It was at dinner when a piece of carrot. What the fuck? When was this dinner? Totally not today. Was it yesterday? Was it yesterday? Yeah, fuck off. I'm about to Alright, Jay, like, I feel like people would notice. See, I guess I was a lot more pessimistic about it. I think I'm gonna take this. I think maybe I was a lot more pessimistic about it. I gave people 6 months. I said half a year, it will be like worldwide news. It'd be like, this just in, no one can sneeze anymore. I said 6 months. Everyone here is literally saying the max I've heard is a month, which is, I mean, good for y'all, I hope. Yeah, like, I gave everyone 6 months. And honestly, I didn't even think the news would cover it first. I figured it would be like a TikTok thing. Like a TikTok challenge. Like, try to sneeze challenge. I can sniff this pepper and I can't sneeze. Like, I don't know. I figured at first it'd be like a one-off, like, oh, like this isn't, maybe I just can't sneeze. You know what I mean? I don't think, maybe I just thought people wouldn't immediately think everyone couldn't sneeze. They just think it was a them thing. Can I reach you? I can. Is that a bomb?
Hello.
Oh, it's a little thing. Was that it? It was it. Okay, cool. Yeah, fuck off, bro. Fuck off, bro.
Not finished yet.
Hold on, I got silent. Sorry. Hold on, one sec. I'm almost done with them. And should be like the last 2 hits, right? 1, 2. Bam. Got him. All done. Very easy. Very easy. Didn't even think that I wasn't gonna win.
That's what you got.
Callie. Bruno. Oh wait, I think I actually did sneeze. And you know what, Bruno? And now you get banned. And that's what happens. That's what happens when you're honest. When you're honest, you get banned. I did. Bruno, I'm just fucking with you, bro. Do you really sneeze like once a day? I think it'd be so much easier to see people or notice that people are sneezing like in the summer because so many people have allergies. Like in the winter, like I feel like I rarely sneeze. But in the summer I'm sneezing, my eyes are swollen, like I'm sniffling, like I don't you would think I had COVID in the summer. We'll get a little bit. Here, we're gonna gain our movement speed. We're gonna be fast as fuck. Fast as fuck.